Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 8i, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application right here. From here, you want to select the three bars and navigate to Settings. And at the bottom, you will find Import option. So from here, select Import from SIM card. And this will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. Now, unfortunately for me, as you can see, all the SIM cards are already on the device. That's why they are grayed out and I can't enable them. By default, the contacts that are not on the SIM will be checked and you can unselect them. So basically, if you want all the contacts that are on the SIM card, you don't really need to unselect or select anything. Just click on the checkbox that is right here and this will automatically import all of them. But because for me they are already all imported, as you can see, I can't do it again. The phone is simply stopping me from creating duplicate contacts. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.